In this video, I am going to show you how to fix dev error 12502 in MW3. Watch the video till the end so you cannot miss an important step. Step number 1. Verify and repair game files. One of the first steps is to check for corrupted game files and repair them. This can be done using the game platform's built-in tools. Step-by-step guide to verify game files. Number 1. Open Game Launcher. Launch the platform you are using. Example Steam or Battle. Number 2. Navigate to library. Find MW3 in your library. Number 3. Access properties. Right click on the game and select properties. Number 4. Verify integrity. Go to the local files tab and click on verify integrity of game files. This can scan and repair any corrupted files. Then update your software and drivers. Ensure all your software and drivers are up to date can resolve completely issues. Step-by-step guide to update drivers. Update game. Check for any update for MW3 in your game launcher. Then update drivers driver. Then update graphics driver. Visit the manufacturer's website like Nvidia, AMD, Intel and download the latest drivers. Then update Windows. Ensure your operating system is up to date by going to settings, then go to update and security, then go to window update. In the third step, clear cache and temporary files. Clearing cache and temporary files can resolve issues caused by corrupted files. Here are the steps include open File Explorer, navigate to the game's installation directory, then delete cache file, locate and delete the cache files. This might be under folders like temporary or cache. In the fourth step, adjust in the game settings. Lowering the in-game settings can reduce the strain on your system and prevent crashes. Here are the steps. Number 1. Launch game. Open MW3. Number 2. Go to settings. Navigate to the video or graphics settings. Number 3. Lower settings. Reduce settings like texture, quality, shadows and effect. Number 5. Check network connection. Ensure a stable internet connection is crucial for online gaming. Here are the steps. Restart router. Unplug your router. Wait for 30 seconds and plug it back in. Number 2. Wired connection. Use a wired connection instead of Wi-Fi for a more stable connection. So that's all for this video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thank you so much for watching.